Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by fetching the latest changes so conflicts are real-time. Open the source control view and run git fetch, then git pull on your target branch. Make sure you have git lens or built-in decorators enabled so VS Code highlights conflicts visually. Once done, start the merge or rebase command that produces conflicts. You'll immediately see conflicted files in the source control list. This gets you to the first actionable state, files flagged and ready for targeted resolution. You now resolve each file, open it in the compare editor or split view so you can see current versus incoming changes side by side. Choose accept current, accept incoming, accept both, or manually edit lines when logic requires a custom merge. Use code actions and language features to keep syntax correct. Run unit tests or quick local builds on small sections to verify behavior. Once you finish editing, mark the file as staged so VS Code knows it's resolved, and move to the next. Once all conflicts are resolved, stage the files and run your test suite or quick checks to ensure nothing broke. Then create the merge commit or continue the rebase flow. Push changes to the remote when validation passes. If you rebased, use force with lease to avoid clobbering others. If you encounter problems, abort the merge or rebase to return to a clean state, restore from a backup branch, and reattempt the merge in smaller logical chunks. One tip: keep frequent commits to simplify future conflict resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.